Good morning, all. Welcome back to my class. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson 3, Rahul visits a tea estate. Do you know what a tea estate is? Many of you have visited tea estates. Before moving into the lesson, we have to do an activity. List the states of India where tea is grown.
Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Assam.
Turn your textbook to page number 15. Look at your textbook. I am going to read.
Rahul was excited.
He was to visit his uncle's tea estate in Munnar. Munnar is located in the Kannandevan hills of the Western Ghats. There are many tea estates in this region. Rahul woke up early in the morning and looked out of the window. It was a beautiful morning. Everywhere there were gentle green hill slopes covered with tea bushes. Rahul was a young boy. He was very excited because he was to visit his uncle's tea estate,
Which was located in Munnar.
In Kannandevan Hills, we can see a lot of tea estates. You must have heard about the company Kannandevan Tea. It is a famous company. When Rahul woke up early in the morning and he looked out of the window, he could see gentle green hill slopes covered with tea bushes everywhere. It added the beauty of the morning. Rahul saw his cousin Shekhar outside the window. Shekhar was much older than Rahul. He helped his father run the tea estate and the tea factory. Shekhar had promised to show Rahul the tea factory on the other side of the hill. Rahul saw his cousin Shekhar was out of the window. Shekhar was older than Rahul. Shekhar's father had a tea factory. He helped him to run it. Shekhar promised Rahul to show the tea factory which was situated on the other side of the hill. Come on, sleepyhead, called Shekhar. I am coming, said Rahul. He washed his face quickly and gulped down his glass of milk. He then rushed out to meet Shekhar. They both started walking towards the tea factory. The weather was cold in the morning. Are you feeling cold? Asked Shekhar. It gets much colder during winter. Shekhar called Rahul as a sleepyhead. Rahul replied that he was coming. He washed his face and swallowed a glass of milk quickly. Then he rushed out to see Shekhar. Both of them started walking to see the tea factory. As it was a hilly area, the weather was very cold. Shekhar asked Rahul if he was feeling cold. He added that during winter the weather was so cold. Rahul looked all around him with great interest. The hillside was dotted with women plucking tea leaves. The women had large baskets tied on their backs. They plucked the leaves from the tea bushes
And threw them into the baskets.
Rahul was so interested to see all around. Lot of women were plucking tea leaves in the hillside. Have you ever seen the women plucking tea leaves from the tea bushes?
They had big baskets tied on their back and plucked the tea leaves and put it in the basket.
Why are all the tea bushes of the same height? Asked Rahul. They look like a large green carpet spread over the hillside. We don't allow the bushes to grow much taller, said Shekhar. It will be difficult to pluck leaves from tall bushes. Also, we have to keep pruning the bushes so that new leaves and shoots will keep growing. The women pluck only the tender leaves. They have to pluck 2 new leaves with a bud. This makes the best tea. When all the tender leaves and buds on this slope have been plucked, the women move to the other slope since some time is needed for new leaves and buds to grow. Then Rahul had a doubt. Why the tea bushes were of the same height? It looked like a green carpet spread over the hillside. Shekhar said Rahul they didn't allow the bushes to grow high because it would be difficult to pluck leaves from the tall bushes. He added that they had to cut the bushes so the new leaves and shoots would come out. The women plucked only the soft leaves and they plucked only 2 leaves with a bud. We get burst tea from the tender leaves. When they plucked all the tender leaves from the first slope and then they moved on to the next slope, by the time being, new leaves and buds would grow in the first slope. That's how the work goes on to the tea garden. That's all for the day. Thank you.